Vevor is a company with unique tools and equipment for almost any business, farm, or home. They take pride in quality products at a great price. Today, we're going to take a quick look at the 20-ton air assist bottle jack and some of its features. Before use, the instructions say to release or bleed any pressurized air trapped in the reservoir. To do that, you pull the fill plug on the side. It's pretty tight. Open the valve and then pump this 7 to 8 times. And you should be good. While the plug's out, the next thing the instructions say is to fill the jack, make sure it's full to the bottom of that hole. So we'll just use some hydraulic jack oil and fill that up. After filling and replacing the plug, this 20-ton jack is ready to be used. To use it, just close the valve and you can operate it by hand. And these springs help to pull it back down quickly, or you can operate it by air. To use air assist, hook up an air line, close the valve, and squeeze the trigger. To release it, open the valve and the springs help pull it down. The jack has a trigger that does have a lock in case you want to hold the air in the on position, or you can just operate it manually. You can remove the springs in the bracket if you don't want to use them. It has a carrying handle and the top threads out or in. Again, if you haven't heard of Vevor, you got to check them out. They do have some very interesting tools and equipment, stuff I've never even heard of. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the Vevor 20-ton air or hand jack. If you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.